Welcome to the iPad Apps First Look channel, and today we're going to talk about Microsoft Word by Microsoft Corporation. If you are a Microsoft Office user, Microsoft Word now available for an iPad and iPhone. It has its very interesting features that, for example, in an iPhone you will be able to view any Word documents. That's pretty cool. And on an iPad, you will actually transform your iPad into something that you can use for, your work environment because you have the real Microsoft Word. It's free, which is very nice. It has in-app purchases, and it's a 264 megabyte download, so it's pretty big. It requires iOS 7.1 or later, so it works with latest devices. And the in-app purchases are the Office 365 type of subscription, if you want, which lets you use your Microsoft Word to the maximum. Once it's installed, you get that famous Word icon on your iOS device. And it works very well, and of course, for a phone it's not the best thing. It's not the best thing to use, because on an iPhone or a small device like an iPhone, it is way too small to really work a document. But you know what, if you actually have just a little something to change in the document itself, it might actually be interesting to use Microsoft Word, just to change a little something in a document through your phone if you don't have access to a computer. But on an iPad, it really transforms your iPad into something, like a word processor. Of course, I have a Office 365 account, which means that my Word is already activated and working because it is activated through my Office 365. So if you want to really work your documents and stuff, you will of course need to subscribe to the service. It also gives you access to the OneDrive, which is really nice, and having the OneDrive folders lets you see pretty much everything. For example, here, this is my OneDrive, and you see at the bottom one called Important Work Documents. Well, this is pretty cool because it gives me access to pretty much everything I want. And so I just have to click, and it's going to download the Word document into my Word. You will also be able to work documents and save them into your OneDrive, which is pretty cool. And you can add places if you want by clicking the Add Places. You have OneDrive. You have Dropbox also available, which is pretty cool. And you can use it to a SharePoint location if you use SharePoint for documents. You have the recent documents list. You have, of course, the templates, as we always have templates in Microsoft Word. So you can click a template, for example, if you want to create a new Word document. And it's actually going to show you the template. You'll be able to click anywhere and change anything that you want. You'll be able to erase and say new document. Now you say that everything's okay and it's finished. You can of course say it's done. You can save the document to your OneDrive, SharePoint, or any other spot like Dropbox. You can also email as attachment immediately from your phone or your iPad. So it's really a nice big word processor. Gives you pretty much a lot of the possibilities. Of course, it does, have this little basic way of being there. It doesn't have all the ribbons and stuff that you have. But I think for, just taking a document and modifying it rapidly, it works quite well. You have a great way of modifying and using your Word documents on the go. And of course you have your home your insert, your layout, all sorts of different options there. You know, you need to get used to it a little bit, I must say, because at first it's not that easy to use. But as you use it, you finally find a way of you know, getting around and understanding how to get around. You have the auto save, so if something happens, of course, your document is saved automatically. And it is compatible with all the Word documents, so if somebody sends you a Word document through email, well, you know now that you'll be able to view it and open it in Word on your iOS device. So Word by Microsoft, available for iPad and iPhone, and will require you to, of course, have a subscription to the Office 365 family for it to work on your device. If you enjoy our videos, why not subscribe to our channel? You'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know. Maybe you have a feature or a app that you'd like us to review, let us know. We'll try to post that video online. Take a look at our videos. We have hundreds of videos of different apps that we reviewed, so maybe you'll find something that you are interested in, and maybe something that you wanted to actually either purchase or try out, and you wanted to see it first. And we try to post videos every week. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you again on the iPad Apps for Slick channel. Bye bye.